Everything changed for me once I started to understand how candle forms with time. In this example, you guys see here on USDT on the 90-minute chart, right? We have the daily open starting with the first 6-hour candle fractal. Understanding candle fractals is the first starting. Understanding how candles are fractalized within time. So each candle that I'm looking at that's highlighted are 6-hour candles. So 4 of these 90-minute candles equals one 6-hour candle. And that's like that every candle everywhere, right? That's one 6-hour candle. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one 6-hour candle. 1, 2, 3. We're on the third fractal right now, and then we'll have the last candle to close this one 6-hour candle, right? So this is what I'm talking about, understanding the formation of this candle, but in the lower time frame. You're exactly understanding how that 6-hour candle is being formed within the 90-minute fractal, within the due time. So that's why I teach you guys how to use the third 90 fractal, right? First 90, second 90, third 90. Same thing with the first 6-hour candle. First 90, second 90, third 90, fourth 90, and then 6-hour close. So starting from the first 6, that's always going to be you guys' daily open, okay? Daily open equals your first 6. So daily open equals first 6. And then your New York session equals the third 6. Okay, the third 6, which is here. That is your first 6. So now, how many 6-hour candles does it take to finish one day? 4, right? So now we understand we have one candle done, second candle done, third candle we're on right now, and we will have the fourth candle and close the day with the open high, retest of the open, low, and close. So you no longer now guessing how long this delivery is going to last by understanding how long this daily candle is lasting pretty much, right? So you understand now you have 8 hours left. People don't pay attention to the time. Now you understand you have 8 hours left within this time of this daily candle. And again, you're fractalizing this daily candle by 6 hours for a 6-hour candle. So you're always going to be on track of what is happening. You're not just opening the chart and like, oh, we're going up, sweeping the high. Oh, we're going down. But now you will see it in a sense of open high, low close, or open low, high close within a due time, manner of time. You guys can see that too. Price is moving according to time. One time finishes, we stop the delivery. And then the other time fractal starts. And again, precisely with the time fractal shift, a new delivery starts, right? So understanding this, you can always capitalize off of the top ticks, bottom ticks, or whatever you guys want to do within the time shift, because prices, again, for a short-term bounce, you guys can see we're coming into this gap that's been created from this third 90, right? From yesterday. So now we're coming back in. So again, if we're not gapping lower, then of course we can see a short-term move back up, right? Which you guys can see happen. But coming down, we made a gap down. And overall, we started the day high. This is one other thing that people don't watch. We watch where we're starting the day. Meaning, watch where the first 6-hour candle is spawning. If the first 6-hour candle is spawning high, right, we're starting high. Like not just open high, but we're also starting the price at a higher price, right? At a premium price. Versus again, same fractal, right? Third 90, third 6. But this day, where is the fractal starting? Look at the first 6. The first 6 is starting at a discounted range. So you can expect a distribution on the third six, vice versa. We're starting high on the first six. So it's most likely aiming for a open high of the day since we're starting high as well. Right? And we have all these gaps to fill that we made. So perfectly we have our target to take it down to. Makes perfect sense. So again, price lines with the time fractal that you're looking at. So if you guys start to line the price with the time together, not just looking at, oh, we can have a pullback there. Oh, it's just a sweep. You can have precise timing of these entries. Understanding we're closing the 6 hour, not able to gap higher with a physical open high to make a low close. Open high, low close. And we're working on the low and the close right now, right? We're finishing out the third 6 hour candle going into the fourth 6 hour candle. And again, we'll have 4 more 90-minute candles to do whatever to break this level or to land inside of here within the next 4 hour candle. I mean, within the next 4 90-minute candles. And then that'll again finish the day and daily will close. And then again, new 6 hour will spawn in. But again, the same logic goes, right? If the new daily starts down here, then most likely what will happen? It's starting at a lower end, right? We're not starting high. So then we might be able to see another reset pushing back up. So hopefully that's making sense to you guys. I know it's a little bit complicated because it's not, your usual things that people talk about. But once again, lining the fractal of time. So simple thing again here. At this point, we disregard the time for now, and let's just think about the price here. Even just the price, we have the opening level here, precise opening level. So this is once again, you want to use these time levels, right? Where it's very important. That's the first six open slash daily open, like we went over. And you guys can see the interaction that we're having. If we're failing the open, what's the idea behind that? If we're failing the open, meaning we made an open high and we gapped through the open, and now we come back to retest the open plus the gap on the second fractal, first 90, second 90, sweeping the gap plus the open, and we're on the third 90, right? So even the price, we're completely failing this point. But once you add the twist of the time, where do we exactly get this retest to the open, finishing this gap down, flipping right into the third six? So again, time shifts, fractal resets. Fractal has to do another micro inside of this. Now, again, every candle has open, low, high, close, right? So this is where now you can look inside of this fractal. And now we're not on the daily open, low, highs, close anymore. So we're now on the 6 hour open, high, low, close. But again, you guys see the same fractal is happening within the 6 hour candle. Open, high, and we're working on the low right now. And then the next 90-minute candle will do the close to go into the next 6 hour candle. So everything can be fractalized within time. And once you guys learn how to do that, everything will change. So hopefully this video helped, guys. And let me know if you guys have any questions. And make sure to give me a like and drop some subs. And I'll catch you guys next time.